What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So today we got our work cut out for us. Showed up for the first job, talked to the customer, said they had pet issues. She didn't smell anything, but the realtors did, and I see why. That's that farm smell. A lot of pet stains. A lot. So we're doing the enzymes, obviously, and then also going to follow it up with the liquid alive for the smell. Note, guys, if you do a job and you walk in and the smell is extreme, you got to chuck them out. Or note that unless you use the enzyme for the odor, your chuck mount's going to be sneaky. All your hose is going to be sneaky. You're going to have to deodorize everything, so don't even do the job unless you can do an enzyme on it also. So when you do your extraction, you're picking up the enzyme that's neutralizing the smell, so it doesn't contaminate your machine so much. So she doesn't expect perfection. I don't, but we're gonna get it done for her. So this is the worst of it with the pet stains. I'm going to use undoes it for the pet stains, and I'm going to have to move this around, pull that rug out, run this vacuuming. We're not doing that, it's new carpet, I guess. So this is farm life, you know. It's a huge farm. They're putting it up for sale. Guess when you get to living out here, you kind of get numb to the smell. But yeah. So she's vacuuming. I'm gonna follow her and go do the enzyme. Let that draw as much as possible. And then we'll do the pre-spray, or the pre-spray and extraction. I'm not sure what that is. I don't think that's urine. I think that's like a coffee smell, or a coffee dough. I think I'm gonna, being that, I think I'm gonna use Procyan for this job. It's a 11.5 pH, I believe, and takes care of coffee and stuff, a lot of organic stuff. Also self-neutralizes. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna hit the rest of these spots. Alright, so this is what I'm using today. I already used those two. Now I'm going to put down the Procyan. Place already smells a whole lot better after I put down that liquid alive. not gonna be perfect because we're not doing that room, and that room probably smells like it too. So. Just curious to see how this 20 volume reacts to some of these spots. It just didn't disappear all the way with the enzyme. Do you see how that 20 volume works? People like are questioning my technique on YouTube sometimes, and the proof is in the pudding. You know, I don't gotta say nothing, really. This probably is gonna come up with extraction anyway, but I'll just do a little extra. Coming out pretty good. A lot of that yellowing is permanent stains. A lot of it came out, but a lot of it's still there. How long it's been there, what it's been treated with. But you can tell the contrast. The contrast would have been a lot more if we would have not even pre-scrubbed and just went ahead and extracted, but I always like to pre-scrub, so you don't get those extreme contrasts with that. But I'll do some before and afters. I'll work my way out of here. this carpet is done. There's a part I wasn't too happy with, so we're going over it with some primetime enzyme in the hallway. And she's agitating. We're gonna let that dwell and see if we get any better results. If we do, I'll come back through and hit a few of these areas here. But as far as the yellowing and the staining is permanent. Been there too long. Or treated with the wrong thing. I don't know. But they're not budging. Did full strength enzyme. That's all you can do. Okay, all finished up. Good as she's gonna get. We did try some primetime enzyme here in these harder areas, and it really didn't budge any better than the Procyon, so definitely wasn't the Procyon. Whole heck of a lot better though, isn't it? I'll get some before and afters. Some permanent staining there, some color. Smells better. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Just one of those jobs. They balance each other out, you know. Definitely, if you're gonna do this much work, make sure you get what you deserve. You know, the chemicals cost money. So, all right. So, see you in the next video.